Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to roll a balanced fair die. What is the probability of getting a prime number for part A, and for part B, what is the probability of getting an even number? Well, for the first part, when we roll a die, it is important to know that there are 6 possible outcomes in total, okay? So it can either be a number 1, or a number 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, right? So there are total number of possible outcome is therefore equals to 6, and therefore later you will see me dividing by 6, okay? So out of these 6 numbers, for part A, how many which are prime numbers? 2, 3, and 5. And so for part A, the probability of the number of getting a prime number is therefore equal to, there is 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers out of total 6 numbers. So 3 out of 6. Final answer. Please leave your answer in simplest form, 1/2. For part B, where we are looking at even number, so I'm going to write it down. Probability of getting an even number. How many even numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 out of total 6. So for this question, for part B, the answer is also half. With that, we have come to the end of this video, of this example on probability. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.